One of classic Japanese origami is the flying bird. Hi, my name is Robert Segundo, and today I'm going to teach you how to make that flying bird. What we're going to do is we're going to start off with our bird base. As you can see here, we're going to start with a square piece of paper, and it's already pre-creased for the bird base, so we can just go through this rather quickly. But to get this crease pattern, what you're going to want to do is first fold your paper in half like so. I'm going to back up, fold it in half again like so, and then open it up again and then fold it into triangles like so. What this is going to do is this is going to pre-crease this for what you're going into, which is going to be, you're going to fold your paper in half and then take this crease here and fold it over like so. Fold this one in like so. And there you have this diamond shape that is equal, all the way around like this. And to go into our bird base, what we're going to do is we're going to take these flaps here and fold them in to the center line that has already been created here from our previous folds. There we go. We're going to flip it over, do the same thing here. Now we have this diamond kite shape. To go into our bird base, we'll just go ahead and open this up and pull this back like so. And what we're going to do is we're going to bring these corners into the inside edge all the way up to form this perfect diamond shape here. We'll flip this over, do the same thing here, open it up. It's going to crease in just like that and then fold these back down. Now we're back into our kite shape. Now, to go into our flying bird, we're going to open this side up and open this side up to where they're both at the top, and we're going to take and open fold them like so. Just going to take a second here because my paper doesn't want to cooperate. Hasty folds. There we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to angle the neck. We're going to basically just kind of squash fold this by grabbing this point, pulling it down to where it is in line with our wing section here, and then just squash folding it, as it is called. We're going to do that same thing with the tail. Pull it down like so. Now what we're going to do is we're going to form the head by just opening this up and rabbit ear folding this like so. There we go. Now open the wings like this and then fold them down, pulling off this point here. We're going to fold it down into a forward fold. Same thing here, off this back point, and kind of keeping it even with that wing right there. And there you have it. Now all you have to do is kind of open this section up here, kind of give it a little room, and then hold right here at the point of the neck. And then you can just, there we go. You can just, pull, and its wings flap like so. My name is Robert Segundo, and this is your flying bird.